In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gmail offline. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear symbol. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. At the top of the settings page, click the offline tab in the horizontal menu. This section allows you to enable access to your emails even when you don't have an internet connection. Check the box next to Enable Offline Mail to activate the feature. Next, click the Sync Settings drop-down menu and choose how many days of mail you want stored on your computer. You can select 7, 30, or 90 days, depending on how much offline access you need. Below that, check or uncheck the Download Attachments option based on your preference. If you enable this, Gmail will store attachments for offline access as well, which may use more storage space. In the Security section, choose either Keep Offline Data on my computer or Remove Offline Data from my computer. If you're using a personal device, keeping offline data may be convenient. If you're on a shared computer, removing offline data may be more secure. After configuring your preferences, scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If a browser prompt appears asking for permission to allow storage and offline access, click OK to confirm. You can now try it by disconnecting from the internet and accessing Gmail to see your synced emails. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.